In this video, I'll show you how to create an abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo. First, log into your Klaviyo account and go to the Flows section from the main menu. Once you're there, click Create Flow to start a new automation. Next, choose Abandoned Cart from the list of pre-built flow templates. This will create a workflow designed to automatically follow up with customers who add products to their cart but leave without completing their purchase. After that, review the trigger settings and make sure your store integration is connected correctly so Klaviyo can track cart activity. Now open the first email in the flow and customize it with your branding, message, and call to action. You can remind customers about the products they left behind and encourage them to return to complete their order. Next, adjust the timing settings to decide how long Klaviyo should wait before sending the first email. Many store owners choose to send the first reminder within a few hours after the cart is abandoned. After that, review any additional emails in the sequence and customize them as needed. You can add discounts, product recommendations, or urgency messages to increase conversions. Now send a test email to yourself and make sure everything looks correct before activating the flow. Finally, turn the flow live so it starts automatically sending abandoned cart emails to eligible customers. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create an abandoned cart flow in Klaviyo. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.